Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check Docker version and kernel features so you know what to fix. Run Docker version and unaim R. Once confirmed, free disk space and verify port availability because Docker fails when storage or ports are constrained. Make sure to backup /var/lib/docker and your compose files to avoid data loss. Then stop Docker service to prepare for changes. This prevents race conditions and incomplete writes that cause subtle corruption. You now diagnose the root cause by reading daemon logs with journoctl and enabling debug to surface errors. This reveals permission, storage driver, or overlay issues and explains why containers stopped. Next, list containers, images, and volumes to locate stuck resources, remove exited containers, prune unused layers, and identify corrupted images by size or read errors. If the storage driver is the culprit, convert or reconfigure it, and restart Dockered so changes take effect, and to observe fresh logs for remaining errors. You finish by recreating services after validation. Use Docker Compose up force recreate to ensure containers use repaired images and settings. Then test networking and volumes so your apps can communicate and persist data. Run Docker Network ls and inspect volumes to confirm expected mounts. Make sure to monitor logs for a few minutes. If problems persist, roll back from your backup or perform a clean Docker engine reinstall. This resolves hidden corruption. One tip: if stuck, remove the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.